Okay. Hello guys. Welcome to a new video of Coding 101. In this video, we are going to learn about data types and input. So, in Python, there are a few data types that you need to know, such as an int or integer. An integer is like a number, like 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, 5, 3, blah 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 blah. And integers don't need double quotes or single quotes, but if you're using it for if you're trying to say a number in a string, then you should include double quotes in them. Otherwise, you would leave it by itself and just use a string parentheses 5. So, speaking of, we've already been over strings in the last video. Strings are like words. Say, Jax was out on a walk on the street, which is not very safe. Do not do that. Please don't. So, it's like a sentence, a word, or a letter. So you can print. And strings use double quotes, as I probably said in last video. I'm pretty sure I did. I love potatoes. So that is a string. The next data type is a float. A float is like an integer. You can perform calculations with them, except they have decimal point. So you can print out 3.5 minus 12.2 negative 8.7, and you can also mix it up with an integer, so that's one good thing about it. So 12 minus 3.5, oops, 8.5, so that's good. So fun fact, floats have the most amount of data that it can take up in your code, since there's lots of numbers after the decimal. So the next data type is, what else was there? There was a character. I think it was called character. I think it was THR, was it? Yeah, it was THR. So character A, I think. No, print character A. Okay, I might be wrong on that one, but I'm pretty sure it was char. Was it char? No. I think it was just. Wait, let me try character. Character. Okay, no. So it was just THR. So I'm pretty sure that THR was the stand for character, like A, B, C, D, E, or F, hashtag, exclamation mark, the exponent point, parentheses, star, percentage. I'm pretty sure that was what a character was, but if I'm wrong, please let me know. Pretty please. So those are all the data types in Python that I know of. If there's anything I missed, please let me know. So next is input. So input is when your program asks you a question and you can type in the answer in a way that it will be saved as a variable. So let's say age equals input. This is the input function, and inside the parentheses you ask a question like, how old are you? And whatever they ask you in here, the answer that you put in will be saved as the variable for age. So if you say how old are you, 55, and that will be saved as a variable. So now if you print age, it will show 55 right there. So yeah, um, Another way you can use inputs, I'm pretty sure you can use it to calculate, to use calculation. So we could say first number equals input. What is the first number? And then you can say like 42. Second number equals input. What is the second number? They ask you that, and you can say like 56. And then first number, wait, number equals first number plus second number. And then if you put that in, it will be set to number. And if you print number, this is where things might get a little bit weird. It will show 4256. Because the reason why is because when you set, if you put in a number for an input value, it will be automatically set as a string because of these in here. So the only way to change it to an integer, I wonder if you can. Okay, no, we can. So to do that, you will have to set these variables again. First, so number will be equal to int first number plus int second number. So the reason why for that is because integers do not be put together like these. They don't act like strings. So now if you print number, it will show 98, which is actually what 42 plus 56 is. So that's how you use input in Python. And it's very important to know about data types because you can really apply them in Python and in other programming languages too. So make sure to like and subscribe. And next video, we'll be going over ifs and functions. So I'll see you guys later. Later, taters. Taters. So cool.